Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Archon EA for MT5 and we'll be taking a look at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the main features, the historical backtesting information, and then my overall thoughts based on the details provided by the developer. Right away, we can see that Archon is an MT5 expert advisor developed by Maurice Mukono Waithaka. At the time of this review, the purchase price is listed at 949 US dollars with a 1-year rental option available for 249 US dollars. This is version 3.6, updated on April 7th, 2026. Looking through the description, Archon is presented as a machine learning powered trading system designed specifically for major pairs. The developer highlights USD and XAU USD as supported instruments and explains that the EA automatically detects the instrument and loads the corresponding model and management logic. One of the main themes throughout the page is trade management. The developer places a strong emphasis on exit quality rather than simply generating entries. According to the description, Archon combines traditional technical analysis with machine learning and evaluates 56 market features across the M5, H1, and H4 time frames. Now, as I scroll through the featured section, we can see that risk management is a major focus. The EA includes fixed risk per trade, maximum daily loss limits, maximum drawdown controls, and hard risk overrides designed to protect account equity. Now, the developer also states that the system does not use martingale, grid trading, or position scaling. Another interesting feature is the advanced exit framework. Instead of relying solely on fixed take profit levels, Archon uses ATR based stop losses and offers multiple trailing stop modes, including chandelier, swing, fixed, and percentage based trailing options. The EA also includes confidence based exits, where positions can be reduced or closed if the machine learning confidence behind the trade deteriorates. The marketplace page also mentions a built in news filter, session controls for London and New York trading sessions, and an on-chart dashboard displaying confidence scores, trade status, and risk metrics. Moving into the backtesting section, the developer states that Archon was tested across 5 years. Okay, so the 5 years of historical data covers from 2020 through 2025. However, the page does not specify whether the testing was conducted using every tick or open prices only. So that's something to keep in mind when evaluating the historical analysis. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. Okay, we are just going to test the Archon EA on USD CAD, which is one of the recommended pairs on the H1 time frame, and it's just going to be over the past about 5 months plus, right? The beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till 6th June 2026. All right, so we are using the last ping to the server for the delays, and we're using the every tick modeling. Okay, now let's just quickly go to the backtest results, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was actually negative $9,627.66, and the total trades taken were 64. Short trades were 56 with a 28.57% win rate. Long trades were 8 with 37.5% win rate. So this tells me that the win rate is very low. Okay, the largest profit was 2,225. Largest loss was 1,026.04. The average profit was 1,270.21. Average loss was 750.26. So the risk to reward ratio, judging from the average profit and loss, is okay, right? It's quite okay. Okay, but the win rate is very low. And I believe this win rate might have been one of the major factors that resulted in the negative total net profit of almost 10%. Almost 10% negative negative, you know, basically 10% reduction in the initial deposit or in the balance. Now, as always, as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than any guarantee of future performance. Actual outcomes can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, risk settings, market conditions, and how the EA is configured by the user. But then let's just also look at the, you know, let's quickly look at the chart history for a bit. So, looking at the completed chart history and historical testing performance, the emphasis appears to be on disciplined trade management rather than frequent trade activity. Now, based on the information provided, trades are only executed when the system's confidence score exceeds an 81% threshold and then managed through dynamic stop loss and trailing mechanisms. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than any guarantee of future performance. Actual outcomes can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, risk settings, market conditions, and how the EA is configured by the user. Okay, so do not forget about that. I'm also going to recommend running your own long-term testing and optimization before considering live deployment so that you can evaluate how the system behaves under your specific trading conditions. Okay, now before we wrap up, let's just also look at the EA in action. So I'll just turn on the visual mode just for a bit, for a moment. Let's just look at the EA in action. All right. So if you are really interested in this EA, you want to run you want to test the EA over a longer period of time, maybe a year, 2 years, or even more. So you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. So you can see how the EA looks. You can see, remember the confidence score that we talked about. So the prediction, sell, strong sell, confidence. Okay, so currently you can see the confidence fluctuating, but it's above the levels where the EA is permitted to execute a trade. All right, so you can see probabilities here, buy and sell probabilities, threshold, trading, positions, ATR, and you can see these indicators here, RSI, MACD, ADX. So this is how EA looks while it is active. Okay. Now, overall, the Archon EA for MT5 presents itself as a machine learning based trading system with a strong focus on risk management, adaptive exits, and instrument specific trade handling for USD CAD and XAU USD. If those features align with your trading objectives, it's certainly one worth researching further and testing extensively before moving to a live account. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.